Hey, if you want to record screen in your Google Pixel 7 Pro, first of all you have to open this notification panel, go to the right side and select this screen recorder. If this icon doesn't appear right here, you can click in this place and then just take a look if it is not located, for example, somewhere right here. So if this icon appears right here, you have to click and hold it and then drag with your finger, then release, and next you have to just go back, so it will be appears just right here right now. And when you click on it, you can of course record audio, show touches on the screen, and when you click on this small icon, you can also select if you want to record the device audio, the microphone, or maybe both of them. So we can decide and then click start. And right here in the right upper corner, you can find the information, the countdown, and right now the screen is recording. So that's the information about the recording. If you want to stop it, just click here. Now just wait a little bit, and as you can see, we easily record our screen, and that's how it looks. So yeah, that's all